So guys, welcome to this week's analysis. So last week we had a good week, but we ended it in losses. For those who are in the group know that last week we started on a good note, but Friday wasn't that good for me, and Thursday, reason being CPI formed me in a buy trade and just took out my stop loss, but it didn't stop us. It didn't stop us from coming back this week because this is what we do. This is what we feed on. And yeah, I believe this week is going to be a strong week. Now, um, last week we had so many moves in there. And it was very easy for us to trade GBPUSD until this bullish candle came in and also closed bullish. Okay. Now, since the DXY was going downwards, we wanted to get the sell from here, but that didn't happen. Again, the market just pushed in there. But going back to GBPUSD, we want to analyze this week's movement. Now, the DXY is still in an uptrend, solid uptrend, right? After CPI came out, the DXY has confirmed that it's still in an uptrend. And we also had a breakout of this trend line here. Like this was the retest and the buy came in. So what do I expect for this week? I expect the DXY to still push higher, meaning the dollar may gain strength. That's in the 4-hour time frame. So I look for it to first come here, up here, then drop maybe to the downside. But let's go to GBPUSD and analyze more on what to expect for this week. Now, this is the 4-hour time frame where I get my main trend from, and GBPUSD seems to be going down to around these areas. Good. So if those who trade the Elliott wave, this can be the wave one, this can be the wave two, and the wave two may be coming to a Fibonacci area. Sorry guys, I'm using a new setup, so my fibs are kind of messed. So it may be coming to such areas here for the upside. So we should just remain focused and see the reaction of how this whole thing is going to play out so to determine key points to enter the market. So this may be our wave one. We shall be looking for, this is a wave two, since it's already giving us that zigzag pattern, the 1, 2, 3 move. Let me just get that and show you guys. I'm using a new, so this may be our wave one. So this is like our wave two. So we shall be looking for the upside. Maybe looking for the upside, guys. So I'll be sharing more analysis as time goes on in the general group. So let's go to the 1-hour time frame to determine our current trend for the week. So as we can see that let's use Elliott wave. This can be wave one. This may be the wave two, and we shall be looking for wave three to take this market to the upside. And also, if the DXY gives us value that this market is going to go to the downside, that means GBPUSD will buy, obviously. So that's when we shall get in for the buy, and we add in things, other confluences like order blocks and all that stuff to determine trades. Remember, we trade confluences. Those who use my strategy, we trade confluences, and we can see that down here may be a key point. So we shall be looking for a resistance point on the DXY to take this market to the downside, and may get one here. Can see that there is an area here. You get. So it's what you're going to be looking for. So you can also draw a trend line down there. And if the DXY breaks it, this trend line is already invalidated right now. So we are just looking at how the DXY behaves on structure. How it behaves on structure is how we shall be looking at to determine how this market is going to move. But I expect it to touch somewhere up here and drop to the downside. That's what I expect to happen. So this week for the DXY is still bullish. Yeah, that shows that the dollar is strong, but it doesn't mean that it will be strong for forever. We have to be here to take that move when the move starts happening. Sorry, my lines are so pink and stuff because this is a new setup. This is a new laptop. All my other laptops are not with me. I'm not currently at my place of residency. So I'm just recording this video to give you guys a heads up of how we are going to approach this week. So Monday is the day we leave to see how the market behaves. As we all know, GBPUSD is always trending, is always ranging on Monday. It always plays around, then picks up momentum and shoots up onto the downside. So shall be waiting to determine our trend for the week on Monday. Then Tuesday we come in and take those trades. Take those trades. So GBPUSD was nice to trade this week because we had a range. We had a range in that thing and the breakout just came in and it was so nice. Yeah, we had the market just playing around two areas. So of course this was the breakout like that. That was a breakout, but I expect it to shoot up though. Expect it to shoot up. And we also had some sort of divergency down here like that. That's why we bought this market on Tuesday. Tuesday, we bought this market with strong buy bias to the upside. So right now I'm just seeing the wave one, wave two, wave two, wave three should be the longest to take out this high. Take out this high. Of course, we add other conferences when we are trading, but this is just basic technical analysis. You get, so it may just touch in there. Now we saw the DXY has an order block there around down here where it bounced from here. This was the order block. Yeah, so that's why it bounced off, but expect it to sell anytime soon and break below this and break below that to the downside. Yeah, just a retracement of this whole move to the downside. So guys, that's it for this week. I hope to see you guys on the next. I know everyone is going to be profitable though. In the private group, we're going to begin crypto classes. As everyone knows, we're supposed to begin them this week. I think Bob is prepared to take us through. We're going to begin crypto classes. The reason why we're going to study crypto is because next year we have some major events going to happen, and we believe crypto is going to pay out a lot. So the profits we get from Forex, we just invest them in crypto. Not all the profits, but just a percentage of the profits. That's if we make withdrawals this week. Now, last week I didn't have any withdrawals because I ended the week in a drawdown, but I expect this week to be profitable. So thank you guys for watching this video. Just click the like button, please. And also subscribe for those who haven't subscribed. We're out. Have a great one.